Welcome back to another video, guys. Today is the oil change on both vehicles actually, but of course the main focus is the 2019 Silverado RST. Now it does call for the same exact oil. We're using the Valvoline full synthetic 0W20, which, like I said, it is Dexos approved. That's what the manual calls for. We have a Mobil 1 extended performance oil filter. Alrighty guys, so we got the Tahoe done. It was just real quick. We got it in, got it out. The main focus, like I said, is on this truck. First step, we're gonna drain everything, take the old filter off, and then we're gonna start putting the new stuff on. So enjoy. Alrighty guys, real quick, under the truck here, I noticed a pretty big problem if you were not paying attention, and that is with the super lifted truck, this rear diff drop here, or this rear cross member. Look at the skid plate. So our bolt is going to be right here, and it's actually angled a little bit towards the driver's side, and it's going right for this back diff drop here, this cross member and the skid plate. So we're going to try to get a funnel under here. We'll loosen the nut up, get a funnel under here, and hopefully redirect it into our oil pan. Alrighty guys, hopefully that helps somebody out. Pretty simple. I actually like it better in this truck than I do the old truck, even though we had to use a funnel once or twice. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We have more stuff coming for this truck. We're just waiting for it to get in, waiting for the weather to get a little better so we're not freezing out here in the garage. But other than that, we're gonna leave you here. We'll see you on the next one.